and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever, I really think so. Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and found many new friends there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Ooh.
Not now, I'm busy.
It's Super T-Bone to the rescue! Ready to save the world from the evils of... the evil Fluffy Face! Look, there she is!
Give up, Fluffy Face! Super T-Bone has arrived to stop your dastardly deeds!
Ta-da! Whoa!
So, Super T-Bone, you've come to spoil my... I said you've come to spoil my...
Yes, I have come to spoil your...
Maybe we should finish this game after the ferry comes in.
Good idea!
Let's go and see who's on the ferry today.
All right.
Let's go!
We're here, Mummy, we're here. Come on. Let's get off. Come on.
Bruno, over here, son.
Hey everyone, it's Bruno!
And if Bruno's here...
Casey is here too. What you doing here, Casey?
Well, Can you play with us today? Can you? Can you?
Let's go to the beach or something.
Sounds great, but I can't right now, gang. Maybe later, all right?
Oh,
All right.
Hello, Casey. How wonderful to see you.
Gosh, I wonder why Casey can't play with us today.
He must have something important to do.
what could be more important than playing with us?
I don't know, but he said he'd see us later. Come on, let's go.
And green light. Red light. And green light. Red light.
Hey, look at that!
Red light, Cleo. Red light. If you don't stop, I'm going to have to give you a ticket, Cleo.
Hey, where is everybody going? Wait for me.
Hello, Casey!
Hello, Cleo.
Wow, what a fabulous cape! We could use that in our game.
Hello, Casey. Do you have time to come and play with us now?
We're playing red light, green light, and I'm the light. I really can't. I'm busy right now.
You said you could play later.
I know, but not right now. I have to do my job.
You have a job?
Casey? Come, Casey. Come on, boy.
Wow, Casey has a job.
I've never actually known a dog with a job before.
And did you see that weird cape thing he was wearing? There's something awfully fishy going on around here.
What do you think is going on, Cleo?
Wait, I know. Maybe Casey has a job as a superhero. You know, like Super T-Bone. only real.
Maybe that's why he's wearing that cape thing. Casey's a real superhero.
Wait a minute! You can't just all of a sudden become a superhero. You have to be born a superhero.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. But there is definitely something strange going on here, and we need to find out what.
Well, I suppose we could follow him and see what he's doing.
Good idea, Clifford. But we can't let him know that we're following him.
Why not?
Because that's just the way you do it. Now come on.
Okay, let's go.
Remember, be very, very quiet.
Right! I mean, right.
Good morning. Thank you.
Looks like Casey's job has something to do with Bruno's mum.
You call that a job? All he did was go for a walk, fetch a few sticks and lick a face. I don't think Casey has a job at all. I just think he doesn't like us anymore.
What?
Ta-da! Thanks, Clifford.
That's why he's always too busy to play with us now.
Well, I still think Casey is a superhero.
What?
Well, he was probably walking around the island to keep it safe.
Yes, and maybe those sticks are really X-ray sticks, so he can see through buildings.
And what about the face licking?
It gives him his super strength?
I don't think so.
No, I suppose not.
You know, I'm just going to go and ask Casey what's really going on.
That's a good idea, Clifford.
Well, that's one way to find out. And before he knew it, the little squirrel had collected a whole tree trunk full of nuts. Oh, look, Casey. There are your dog friends. Why don't you go and play with them? I'll be fine. You go on and have some fun now. You deserve it.
Hi, Cleo. What's wrong? Don't you want to play?
Maybe now I'm too busy to play with you.
I'm sorry, Cleo, but I really have been busy.
Or maybe you just don't like playing with us anymore.
Of course I do. I love playing with you guys. But I also have a very important job now.
What kind of job, Casey?
I'm an assistance dog. Bruno sent me to a special school to learn how to work with people that need a little extra help, so I could help with his mum. You see, Mrs. Young lives here by herself, and now that she's getting older, sometimes she needs a little assistance.
Casey! Casey, bring me some water, please.
Did you see that?
Yes, I certainly did. Come on.
Thank you, Casey. You're such a help and such good company.
Wow! Casey really is a superhero!
He's amazing.
Well, Cleo, what do you think?
I'm sorry I didn't believe you, Casey. You have a great job. I can't believe you two ever doubted him.
Huh?
The best part is, I'll be living on the island now, so I'll be able to see you all a lot more than I used to.
That's great!
Of course, I won't always be able to play, because my job comes first.
That's okay, Casey. I can see now how important your job is.
Hey, Casey, do you think maybe you could teach us how to be assistance dogs?
Well, it takes a lot of training to be an assistance dog. I had to go to school for a long time. But there is one thing I can teach you.
What a great little helper you are guarding my groceries. My sweetest little doggy in the whole wide world.
All right, gang. Green light. Red light.
Oh,
Sorry, T-Bone, you moved. You have to go back to the beginning.
okay.
Clifford and I love playing games. Red light, green light is one of our favourites.
Okay. Green light. Red light.
But games are only fun when everyone plays by the rules.
Sorry, Mac. You moved. I did not move. I just lost my balance for a while.
Come on, Mac. Play fair.
Oh, all right. I'll go back. All right then. Green light.
It's fun to play when everyone plays fair. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is play fair.